Working as a system administrator, I hope you guys are aware about these types of errors. I'm talking about the error 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these errors are directly associated with your operating system. Hey everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and welcome back to another class of IT troubleshooting playlist. And in this class, we are going to discuss about if you're not able to turn on your Windows based operating system, you are getting a different types of error. So this video will definitely help you to resolve the problem, because I'm going to share each and every steps that required to resolve the issues related to the no operating system found in your desktop or laptop. So let's start with very basic. Let's take an example. You are currently using Windows 10 operating system or Windows 11 operating system on your laptop or desktop, but suddenly you are getting an error of loading operating system error, MBR error 1, press any key to boot from floppy or whatever, right? So why it is come into the picture? The main point, you need to understand the cause of this particular error. So basically lots of as a cause behind this error. So as a system administrator, you need to start troubleshooting journey from the BIOS. As you guys are aware about, per the current market, we have two different types of BIOS. First one is legacy and another is UEFI. Whatever types of BIOS that you are currently using on your on-premises machine, you need to open and verify the connectivity of your hard drive, right? Because this common error come into the picture in case of no hard disk detected by your machine or your motherboard, and second, maybe multiple operating system files or program files are missing from your current OS. So very first step, you need to open BIOS setting. Let me try to show you how it's look like. I'm going to connect my Windows machine because I have already created Windows 11 operating system using VMware Workstation. So let me try to connect and show you the steps. Need to open VMware Workstation. So I have already installed VMware Workstation, and VMware Workstation created multiple virtual machines. So let me try to turn on our Windows 11 machine. Open directly with firmware. Firmware is also considered as a BIOS. So what you need to do, you need to open the BIOS setting. It may be different by look if you are using legacy BIOS based machines, so then the look like same. But in case of UEFI, the all options are available in the format of GUI, means you can change your BIOS setting with the help of keyboard and mouse both. So now very first step, you just need to open the BIOS and you need to identify that your hard is successfully connected with the machine. So here we are able to see, just need to open. Okay, actually accessing our BIOS with the help of VMware Workstation virtual machine, that will always provide you the old version of BIOS. And I understand in 2026, the 99% machines are based on UEFI BIOS. So I'm going to show you directly with the help of my desktop, the current desktop that I'm using with the 32 GB of RAM and Core i5 processor 13th generation. And if we talk about the motherboard that I'm currently using, which is a MSI, and you should open the BIOS by pressing F2 or Del. You need to restart when MSI logo is appear on the screen. You just need to press Del or F2 and you will get the access of this particular result, right? So in the corner, we are able to see multiple options are available, like CPU, memory, storage. So according to the error that we discussed, like no operating system found, very first step, the cause of no operating system found on your desktop or laptop, maybe the hard disk that connected with your machine is not connected properly and not detected by motherboard. So to verify that your hard disk is connected properly, maybe the issues related to the operating system files. So to confirm it, please click on storage, and under the storage, see, it will give you the all ports that are listed with your motherboard. SATA ports 5, SATA port 6, 7, 8. 4 different ports we are able to find on our motherboard, and in front of SATA port 5 CT500X something. This is the hard drive, and the capacity of this hard disk is approximately 500 GB, right? So it means that my hard disk is successfully detected by motherboard. And second option, 1000 GB, because in my machine, 2 different hard disks are connected at the same time. Like one is a SSD 500 that I'm using for the operating system, and another hard disk I connected to put my personal data, right? In your case, if you're not able to see any model number of hard drives, so definitely you have to open the cabinet of your desktop, you need to open the laptop and check the communication or connectivity between your hard disk and motherboard. So if no hard disk detected by your motherboard, you will get the option of not present for all the ports. This is step 1 that you need to check if you are getting error or issues related to no operating system found. Fine. The another step, let's proceed for the another step. If the hard disk is connected properly, but still you are able to find the same error, you are getting a same error on your screen. So what is next step? You need to repair your operating system. Yes, you need to repair or restore your operating system. So I'm going to guide you. I'm going to show you the steps how we can get the option of system recovery, how we can repair our existing operating system. So let's wait. Second step to resolve the problem of no operating system found if your hard disk is connected but still you are getting a same error. So please try to log in your machine, try to open your computer with the help of safe mode, right? And you guys are aware about how we can access the safe mode. Restart your computer and press F8 continue, and it will redirect you on the safe mode. Currently I'm logged in with my machine using safe mode. And unfortunately in the safe mode we are not able to perform all the tasks related to the third-party application. So but definitely we can use it for troubleshooting. Right click on start menu, go to the settings, and under the settings multiple options are available. Click on update and security. Under the update and security left corner we are able to find the option of recovery. Please try to click on recovery and immediately restart now. Click on restart now, and it will redirect you on the page of where we can repair our operating system files. And also it gives us an option related to like any kind of restore point. If you created, you are easily able to revert back your old version of operating system. I'm talking about LKGC, last known good configuration. Over this page we are able to see continue, turn off your PC, use device, or any ISO image that you created, bootable pen drive, just need to insert and troubleshoot. But we are here to perform the troubleshooting related to the no internet access. So please click here. It gives us option restart this PC or go to advanced option. Whenever we click on the advanced option, see startup repair, uninstall update, because sometime what happen if your hardware is not comfortable with the latest update that provided by Microsoft, so you just need to uninstall the latest update. Make sure you are going to log in your machine with the help of safe mode, and startup settings is also available. You can directly open your BIOS setting, and this is the panel. If any kind of backup that you have already configured, then definitely this option will help you to restore your operating system from the last known good configuration, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4 different options you can use to troubleshoot the problem related to the no operating system found. I'm going to click on start repairing, right? This is the common steps that we can use to troubleshoot the problem related to no operating system. So whenever we open our machine by clicking on this particular option, it will give you more options related to the troubleshooting. So wait for a few more minutes. Your machine is restarted and wait. So it will automatically check the as all repair that required. If you're not able to revert back your computer on the same page, then please follow the another step. Try to log in your computer. Okay, the best way if you want to resolve the problem of no operating system found, please open and uninstall the latest update, right? So uninstall latest quality updates or uninstall the feature update. So basically you need to proceed with second one. It will uninstall the latest features that basically introduced by Microsoft. That will definitely help you to resolve the problem of no operating system find. So I hope you guys are aware about you are okay with the points that we discussed. And the last option, restore point, or you just need to format your operating system, install new OS. It will definitely help you to resolve the problem of no internet, no operating system problem. So this is all about the solution. Do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. We are going to connect on next class and discuss more about how we can resolve the most common issues related to desktop networking and Active Directory. Thank you guys. Take care and bye bye.